Hey, what's going on, everyone? So I'm back again with another episode of DAYQ, David Answers Your Questions, where every week I'll be answering your real estate related questions. So this week's question is, what's the difference between a renovation and a remodel? So the short answer is this. In a renovation, an area of a home has been modified to reach current market expectations, but the actual structure of the room has not changed. So for example, changing the cabinets, replacing doors and windows, replacing floors, or installing new appliances. While in a remodel, actual structural changes have been made and may actually involve removing or adding walls or ceiling to change the function of a room. So for example, adding an additional bathroom, changing the size of a room, or moving the kitchen. So that's it for this episode of DAYQ. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me and I'll be happy to answer them. Until next time, I hope you have a great week.